Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to read anyone's WhatsApp conversation. Whenever you get someone's phone, you don't have the phone on your hand for a very long time. So you have to make use of that time. So I'll show you how to read out someone's conversation. So let's start. First, open the WhatsApp app. Now select the conversation. Now tap on three dots on top right corner and tap on More. Now tap on Export Chat and a sharing option will open. You can share it to yourself via WhatsApp. Now tap on WhatsApp icon and search for your number. And there are other options too. You can also send it to yourself by Gmail. Now tap on the Gmail icon. Now enter your mail ID and tap on the blue arrow icon on top right corner. When you are done, open your Gmail. I have to switch my account. If you don't see the email, then refresh the feed. And the email is here. Now open the email and download the file, or you can also directly tap on that. It will also download the file. When it is downloaded, open with Chrome. Now let's see what opens. And here you can see the whole conversation is recorded here. And if you keep going down, you'll see the older conversations too. And that's how you can read someone else's conversation from your phone. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.